How do you humanize ChatGPT text for free? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT on your device and ask any question you want. I've simply asked essay on animals 500 words. After your text appears, which is your answer, simply hold on to the text. After you hold on to the text, you'll find these options. Click on Copy at the top. After you have copied the text, simply go to any browser. I am simply opening Chrome in here. In Chrome, search for summarizer.org. After that, in here at the bottom, simply paste what you copied earlier. Then at the bottom, click on Summarize. After you click on Summarize, you'll find your answer at the bottom. It will humanize. If it still does not work, if you still think it's AI, what you can do is swipe up. After you've swiped up, in here, click on 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on 3 lines, you'll find these options. Click on AI Humanizer. Also, make sure you have copied everything from here as well. Click on AI Humanizer and in here paste what you copied earlier. After you paste, press on Humanize at the bottom. After that, everything will be humanized. And this is how you humanize ChatGPT text for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.